In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening device's settings. Now tap on Bluetooth right away and use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Now it's time to click on available device you wish to connect to that will appear over here. If you want to, you can click on this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable this option. Then hit pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this icon right next to your connected device and click on pair under device name. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!